Now, the Union Health Minister Harsh Vardhan briefed the media on the COVID-19 situation in the country. The Health Minister said the government is constantly monitoring the COVID-19 situation. Union Health Minister Harsh Vardhan will also be holding a meeting via video conferencing with all the state health ministers tomorrow.
On 7th of January. First slide. This slide depicts that India responded to this challenge within 24 hours of getting this news from China that they have detected this new coronavirus on 7th of January. On 8th January itself, we had organized our first meeting of the expert group of technical people, our doctors, epidemiologists, and whosoever was relevant. Within the next 7 days or so, we had formulated our detailed preparedness plan, which we had sent to all the states in the country. We also started our community surveillance on the 17th of January itself, although our first case came 13 days later on 30th of January. And we had also started screening flights coming from nations where the infection had been reported. And this slide also shows that at only about 600 cases we implemented the nationwide lockdown first till 14th of April and then have extended it till the 3rd of May. First slide.
Now, there the Union Health Minister Harsh Vardhan briefed the media about what steps were taken by the central government when the COVID-19 pandemic was first reported in the world. Now, according to the central government and the Union Health Minister, the centre and the government took quite imminent measures to tackle the crisis. However, what Harsh Vardhan did not mention is the current status of COVID-19 in the country.
Our doctors, epidemiologists.
Now, this is what Harsh Vardhan, the Union Health Minister, had to say about his meeting with Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
Honorable Prime Minister has been monitoring the progress of the various developments. He has been in continuous engagement with the Chief Minister. He constituted a group of ministers under me with all the relevant ministers there. We already had 13 meetings of this group till now. The Health Ministry has been reviewing everything regularly, sending regularly advisories. There is a committee of secretaries. There is a regular interaction with the states, their health ministers, their health secretaries. 11 empowered groups of the top officials of the Government of India in the whole government. They have been formed to look after various issues. There is a national task force of eminent medical and public health experts, and regularly we have been sending senior officials to the states to ensure that there is a continuous link with the states.